Here's a look at one of the most beautiful generations of Corvette. This is the big window edition from the early to mid 60s. This is a pretty standard 327, 300 horsepower version of that engine. Big V8 in there. This one's got an automatic transmission, and the real feature is that non-split big glass rear window. You can't open the trunk. You can just throw stuff back there in the big aerodynamic fishtail on the car, making it look like a mini airplane. There's a good look at the cockpit with your sideways radio, your gear shifter, all your gauges, and your wooden steering wheel, and your pristine white upholstery. It's amazing they can keep that clean. But what if you need more power? How about the 427? They only made 218 of these, so this is extremely rare. You got to be rich if you want to get one of these today. It's labeled 400 horsepower on the top of the air cleaner, but supposedly they actually were underestimating it so that it wouldn't be illegal to sell it. But that was the hottest car of the day, was the 427 Corvette, if you could afford one and you could find one. And now, if you can find one, you can't afford one. So it's just a quick look at one of the rarest things. Nothing on the outside said 427 on it, so it just looked like a regular civilian Corvette. Looked just like this 327 to the untrained observer with the hood closed.